news is there are no storm clouds above this, so I think we have a good shot of it burning off, although right along the immediate coast it might be a problem. Some fog banks may hang on there a little bit longer.
Will the humidity burn off?
The humidity will not burn.
Okay.
The relative humidity will go down as the temperature goes up, but the dew point is going to stay about the same.
It could always be worse, Barry. I saw that the first measurable snow fell in the Rockies yesterday.
In the Rockies, yes, indeed. And I can tell you, there's no snow coming here for quite a while. So let's check out with these temperatures of 65 to 70 degrees right now, and the dew points almost match it, so that makes the relative humidity right up there in the 95 to 100% range there. So it is definitely muggy, and that's why we have all the low cloudiness in areas of fog. Some places it's very thin fog, other places it's quite dense fog, but a lot of that's going to be burning off. So the problem is right along the coast, will it burn off completely, or will there be occasional fog banks coming on shore at some beaches? Well, we'll go for the optimistic route and say we're going to end up with some sunshine, but some building clouds will come in a little bit later on. I'll show you in just a couple of minutes here. 81 should be the high in many locations, about the same as yesterday, or down just a trickle from what it was yesterday for high temperatures. Right along the coast, about 75. And looks like across the nation, there is this shaft of 90s coming right up from Dallas to St. Louis, almost up to Chicago. That doesn't look like it's going to get all that hot here. And it's not going to be on the cold side either, which it is on the other side of this front here in the Rockies, where the areas up in parts of Montana, as Anna just mentioned, got snow yesterday in the higher elevations. Well, this hot weather is streaming north. We have it relatively humid here. And then we have, of course, Jose down the coast, which is going to still impact us in some way, shape, or form on Tuesday and into Wednesday. So for today, the low cloudiness burns off. And then we end up with a few widely scattered showers and a couple of isolated rumbles. It looks like the support for the most part this afternoon will be near and south of the Mass Pike into Connecticut and Rhode Island. That's where we have most of the parameters available for a few more of those showers to pop. Yesterday there were some scattered showers and some more widespread activity than the day before, and some of those downpours were something else. North and west of Boston, a few places had 1 to 2 inches of rain. Once these get going, since there's no steering currents, they have to rain themselves out, and they don't pretty much move much of anywhere or move just very slightly. So then it'll clear out tonight for a while before the low cloudiness comes in again late at night, and then it burns off again tomorrow morning. So it looks like we should be okay. The chance of showers somewhat lower tomorrow than it will be today. Here's the storm with max winds of 80 miles an hour. It's moving off to the northwest. Note it did a big loop here right in there. It's been kind of sitting out there. It did its loop, and now it's turning off to the northwest. It's going to turn more to the north, and then it's going to start curving at some point. So that the timing on this is it going to start to curve more quickly and sort of just give us a glancing blow, or is it going to come up and give us some winds of 50 to 60 miles an hour, let's say on the Cape? One thing seems to be quite clear right now. It's not going to intensify into any kind of a major hurricane, so that's good news for us, in that it's still going to be producing these big waves, which will continue to migrate northward, so the swells will start building this the rest of this weekend, and then we'll get those big waves causing some beach erosion, and we're looking at some heavier rain and some onshore winds getting stronger in the course of 30 to as high as 60 miles an hour on southeast Mass and perhaps the Cape later Tuesday and into Wednesday morning. So watch that closely for you as we get most of the rain on Tuesday and Wednesday, then drier air and nicer air for the second half of this week.